In the new network empires, there's only one commodity that counts, and that is data.
Data science.
Data science.
Data science. Data science.
Data science hailed as the new oil.
You're someone who's thinking, how can I get a lot of or how can I stand out in this competitive job market? Well, an MS in data science is what you need to take your career to the next level. It equips you with the skills to analyze data, predict trends, and make decisions that drive business and innovation. So whether you're looking to solve complex challenges or work with top-notch companies, data science is the answer. Now, let's explore the top 5 universities that will help you to kickstart your career in data science and equip you with the skills to excel in this exciting field. Stick around till the end because we'll be sharing the #1 university for data science, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. And don't worry, we've got the ROI for each of these universities to make your game a little easier. First up, we've got Carnegie Mellon University. Known for its innovative approach, CMU's Master of Computational Data Science program is perfect for those who want to dive into real-world data and solve complex problems. With a blend of theory and hands-on experience, you'll be ready for the job market in no time. Plus, companies like Amazon, Uber, and Intel love CMU graduates, so job opportunities are huge after graduation. Now, let's talk about the ROI. Graduates from CMU can expect an average starting salary of $110,000 to $120,000 per year, and with top companies actively recruiting from CMU, you'll see a solid return on your investment in no time. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, so you're already in the tech hub of the world. The MIDS program here offers flexibility with both on-campus and online learning options. Whether you're interested in machine learning, big data, or data analytics, you'll have plenty of research opportunities with connections to big giants. Google and Apple are always on the lookout for UC Berkeley grads, so you'll be in good hands. For ROI, UC Berkeley graduates can expect a starting salary of between $100,000 to $120,000 per year. Plus, with its proximity to Silicon Valley, networking opportunities are abundant, giving you access to top-tier jobs in the tech world. Now, let's head across the pond to Oxford University in the UK. Oxford's MSc in Computer Science with Data Science combines theory with real-world application, giving you the perfect mix for mastering data science. It's known for rigorous academic training, and with their global network of alumni, you'll have some of the best connections in the world when you graduate. If you want to dive deeper into big data and AI, then Oxford is the place to be. In terms of ROI, Oxford graduates typically earn between £40,000 to £60,000 per year. And with Oxford's great reputation, graduates enjoy high job placement rates and great career prospects in the tech, consulting, and finance sectors. Up next, we have Harvard University. Known for its world-class research and prestigious reputation, Harvard's Masters in Data Science will set you up for huge opportunities in the tech and finance sectors. The program combines rigorous academics with hands-on projects, and you'll get to work with some of the best minds in the world. With a Harvard degree, job opportunities from top companies like Microsoft and Goldman Sachs will start rolling in. Looking at ROI, Harvard graduates earn an average starting salary of between $100,000 to $120,000 per year. The networking opportunities at Harvard are unmatched, and the prestige of the degree ensures high career advancement and job stability. And now, the part that you guys were waiting for. Drum roll, please. The #1 university for data science is none other than MIT. Why? Well, MIT is the leader when it comes to cutting-edge programs, innovative research, and industry connections. The data science program is not just about learning, it's about revolutionizing the future of technology. The program is intense, rigorous, and packed with hands-on projects that will have you working on real-world problems from day one. Graduates from MIT land amazing jobs at top tech companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple, with starting salaries of $100,000+. If you want to be a part of shaping the future of data science, then MIT is your go-to place. In terms of ROI, MIT graduates have an average starting salary of between $120,000 to $150,000 a year. Plus, the opportunities for career growth in tech, academia, and finance are incredible. You'll be surrounded by an elite network of professionals, and the value of an MIT degree in the job market is unparalleled. So there you have it, the top 5 universities for MS in data science. From CMU's hands-on experience to MIT's innovation, each university has a unique opportunity for you to kickstart your career. And don't forget, the ROIs at these universities are phenomenal, with average starting salaries of $100,000+ per year. Which university would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more exciting content on study abroad and how to get into research.